How to fix Snapchat snaps not loading. If your Snapchat snaps are not loading or refuses to open, the issue is usually related to your network or phone settings. Here is a quick and easy way to fix the problem. First, you need to make sure your internet is actually stable. So what you can do is disconnect your Wi-Fi, wait a few seconds and reconnect it, or you can just switch over to mobile data and retest the snap. If nothing happens, you can swipe up to your recent apps and completely close Snapchat. Once you have done that, you can relaunch it and it should force a newer connection. If that doesn't work, you want to go over to settings, scroll down to apps, find Snapchat from the list of your apps. I'll just scroll all the way to the bottom and find Snapchat here. Tap on it, go to permissions, make sure all of the permissions are allowed, including your network access and camera permission. Go back, tap on storage, clear cache, and once you have done that, you need to reload Snapchat again. You can also try to look for any power saving or data restricting feature on your device. That might be the issue as well, so look out for it. After you've done that, you need to update Snapchat to its latest version. Go to Play Store, then simply search for Snapchat. If there is an update available, just update the app to its latest version, and after doing so, give your phone a quick restart. Long press on your power button and then tap on Restart. Once you have done that, you should be able to load your snaps. After giving your phone a quick restart, you can refresh your system's network and free up memory. You can do that from your app as well. So go to Snapchat, tap on the profile at the top left, tap on the gear icon at the top right, go over to My Privacy and Data, go to My Data, right below that it's Clear Cache, tap on it and then tap on Continue. All of your caches and minor files will be cleared and it wipes out all the temporary files. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.